Welcome to Data Apex Tutorials. My name is Marek, and today I will show you how to start Clarity with a variable configuration, including predefined instrument and respective projects, methods or sequences. I have already configured Agilent 1100 HPLC system with FLD and DAD detectors, autosampler and pumps. However, for a different type of analysis, I need to use only FLD detector or DAD detector alone. It would be time consuming to always change it in the system configuration. Luckily, Clarity has something called Launch Manager, which offers this functionality. Launch Manager is located in the Clarity group under All Programs. Clarity group and Launch Manager. To create a new profile, click on the Edit Profiles. The first profile will be using both detectors. Therefore, I will name it FLD plus DAD and click OK. Since it is already configured in the Clarity, we can use the configuration and duplicate it. In this way, we will preserve this setup from overwriting. I will rename it to FLD plus DAD and click OK. And this profile is completed. The second profile will be using FLD detector only. Therefore, we will create a duplicate of the profile FLD plus DAD and call it FLD. As you can see, the configuration got duplicated as well, but we want it only for the FLD, therefore we will duplicate it again, but this time only for the FLD, and click OK. And this profile is completed as well. We can create a duplicate of this profile and call it DAD. Once again, we will duplicate the configuration DAD and click OK. Now the profile FLD plus DAD is already configured. However, profiles FLD plus DAD are not, since their configuration has been duplicated from the FLD plus DAD profile. We'll launch the FLD profile and go to the system configuration and remove the DAD detector. Therefore, we'll close it. Launch this profile. Yes. Go to the system configuration. Click on the Agilent. Setup. Common. Remove. And we want to remove DAD. And click remove. OK. And now this is done. Click OK to save the changes. And close Clarity. Now we will do the similar thing for the DAD profile. Click Launch. Go to the system configuration. Click OK. Click Agilent. Setup. Common. Click Remove. Now we want to remove the FLD detector. Click Remove. OK. And as you can see, it has been removed. And click OK to save the changes. Close Clarity. Now, since the configuration is completed, we can specify what projects and methods will be opened when we launch separate profiles. For that, go back to the Edit Profiles. Click on the specific profile. We want to open it on the first instrument. Select project. I have already prepared FLD plus DAD projects, so we can open it. And method FLD plus DAD. Now this profile is completed, and we can continue for the second one, FLD, which will be opened as well on the first instrument. The project is FLD, and the method is FLD method. This profile is completed as well, and the last profile is DAD. Again, similar process, project, DAD, method, DAD method. If you want to specify a sequence that would be opened while launching this profile, you can do it here and click Close. Now our profiles are completed and we can test them out. For example, FLD plus DAD, and we can launch it. What should we see is the FLD plus DAD project and the FLD plus DAD method. Now this is working correctly, so I can close it and test the second one. I will launch the FLD. Again, correct project and correct method. So this is working correctly. I'll close it and test it with the last one, DAD. DAD has loaded DAD project and with the DAD method. So everything is working correctly. If we want to double check the configuration, we can go to the system configuration and check that we have only the DAD without FLD detectors. Everything is working correctly. And this is basically how to start Clarity with a variable configuration. Thanks for watching and keep an eye for upcoming tutorials.